Welcome to episode 2 of Making Math Visible, where we share effective strategies to solve problem sums. Hi everyone, my name is Chris Siu. I'm the Chief Trainer at Math Accelerator Center. Me and my trainers are a group of PSLE Math turnaround specialists who has been helping students to achieve breakthrough in their mathematics using our very own score system. To find out more about how we can help your child achieve breakthrough in their performance, do visit our website at www.parkwaymath.com. Now let's take a look at this question. This question is modified after a PSLE question that appeared in 2016. This is based on the topic of fractions, and we're going to solve this question using the part-whole model. So let's go ahead and read the question first. Sally baked some pies. She gave 1/5 of them to her relatives and 30 of them to her friends. She was left with 2/3 of the pies. How many pies did Sally have at first? After reading, let's try to identify all the keywords. The first set of keywords is over here. It states that 1/5 of the pies were given to her relatives. Next, 30 pies were given to her friends. The last set of keywords is over here. It states that she was left with 2/3 of the pies. The question asks how many pies did Sally have at first. So we have all the information highlighted. So now let's try to organize this information into a model to help us understand the problem. So we understand that there are two groups of people over here. Okay, the first group is her relatives. They were given 1/5. The next group of people are her friends. They were given 30 pies. And the last part is she was left with 2/3 of the pies. So based on this information, we will come up with a simple model that looks like this. So one part is given to the relatives, one part was given to her friends, and she had one part left. So next, let's try to complete the model by adding more information from the question. So first is 1/5. Is given to her relatives. Then 30 pies were given to her friends over here, and she was left with 2/3 of the pies. So as you can see, after we have completed the model with the information, there was this blank here. So this blank represents the fractions that were given to her friends. So this can be calculated easily by taking one whole to subtract 1/5 and 2/3. So we're going to work out the fraction for the number of pies given to her friends. So 1 whole minus 1/5 and 2/3. This would give us 2/15. So we're going to put this information over here. So next, now we can see that 2 out of 15 is represented by 30 pies. So we're going to put it over here in our working space. So 2/15 is represented by 30. We're going to find out how many pies is represented by 1/15. So 1/15 can be calculated easily by taking 30 divided by 2 and we get 15. So the last step, which is what we are required from the question, is to find out how many pies did Sally have at first. So Sally had one whole, which is equals to 15 out of 15. So the number of pies we're going to calculate will be 15 times 15, and that will give us 225 pies. So there we have it. We have answered the question. Sally had 225 pies at first. So here's a summary of what we have done. Firstly, we identified the keywords in this question. Then based on the keywords, we're able to construct this simple model. Then we put in all the important information into our model, and we realized that there was a blank here. So this blank represents the fractions of the number of pies given to her friends. So we're able to calculate what the fraction is over here. Then we realize that 2 out of 15 is represented by 30 pies. So we go on to find out how many pies is represented by 1 out of 15. So the last step is if 1 out of 15 is 15 pies, then the total, which is 15 out of 15, can be calculated easily by multiplying 15 by 15, which gave us 225 pies. We have come to the end of this episode. If you have any questions regarding this problem sum, please type it in the comments below. For more information about our program, please visit our website at www.parkwaymath.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.